SmartBulk, a solution to your bulk RNA-seq data. SmartBulk's streamlined workflow makes bulk mRNA-seq analysis effortless. In this video, let's dive deep into a bulk RNA-seq datasets and explore SmartBulk's feature. In this example dataset of Crohn's disease, the efficacy of autologous hematopoietic stem cell transplantation was examined in patients with severe refractory disease. Gene expression in treated patients at different time points was compared to assess the efficacy of HSCT treatment. To upload the dataset, just drop the expression matrix and metadata files into the Upload Files panel. You have the option to convert gene name from ensemble to symbol format before submitting the data. After submitting, quality control features are employed to identify a subgroup of Crohn's patients who responded well to stem cell therapy for further analysis. We can rename the subset for easier tracking while performing downstream analysis. This subgroup was then analyzed using differential gene expression analysis with the Lemma package. Gene expression at 3 time points was compared to baseline. DGE analysis revealed significant changes in the expression of several key genes in patients who achieved remission after HSCT. Let's switch between DGE analysis pairs and select heat map to visualize the expression patterns of the top 100 differentially expressed genes. Heat map for specific gene sets can also be created and visualized. The gene set can be saved to be used later. For example, this heat map shows a significant decrease in cytokine gene expression 1 year after HSCT treatment. Coming next, Venn diagrams can be utilized to identify genes that were significantly regulated at different time points following HSCT, based on the results of the differential gene expression analysis. Select commonly regulated genes and perform functional enrichment analysis. The result identified significant changes in pathways related to innate and acquired immune cell activation and recruitment, as well as cytokine production. You can choose pathways from different databases or switch between dot plot or bar plot. SmartBulk, the all-in-one solution for reliable bulk RNA-seq analysis.